Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm come to prepare mushroom sauce, and you can eat with rice, mashed potato, or anything you prefer to eat with your mushroom sauce. Please, let's eat. Wow. Please, let's start. You wash your mushroom and you cut it the way I'm cutting it. Please be careful with your hand. And it tastes very delicious, this recipe. Hi, stop, And if you make it like your dinner, make something special for your family and see what they will tell you. You take picture, you send it to me, I'll post it on my page for you, okay? After cutting it, you put it aside and you chop your onion. Wow, now we are going high now. So I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers, especially Facebook people. You are doing very well, but YouTube, no, you people should come. Put the onion aside and you chop your garlic too. Please be careful with your hand. So if you are new here, you are very welcome to Mayu Kitchen. You are welcome to my house. So take your pen and your book and let's start cooking. Or you can watch without using book or pen. And you put it aside. Put your fry pan on fire or the saucepan you are going to use. Add your butter and you add some of your chopping garlic. You add some to it and you add your mushroom. You are blanching it. You add it to it and you stir it. You set your fire to medium high temperature. Season it with vegetable bouillon and black pepper, some black pepper. But if you don't have the vegetable bouillon, you can use Maggi or any spices you prefer to add with your mushroom. You can use that one to season your mushroom. Because it's supposed to get some taste. Let it be cooked for some minutes or until you see some water has poured out. That meat is okay and you take it aside. The same fry pan you use or the saucepan you use, don't wash it. You put it on fire again. Add the rest of your butter, the rest of chopped garlic, and you add your onion to it. The onions you chop it, you add it to it. Let it be cooked for 1 to 2 minutes and then you add your cooking milk to it. You can get someone shop to buy it. You ask them you need cooking milk. Season it with black pepper and vegetable bouillon or Maggi, and you add your chili pepper. That is option. I need to get some hot inside, so if you don't like it, leave it. It's not by force to add the chili pepper. I need some hot. That's why I add the chili pepper, so it's option. So let it be cooked, lower your heat, let it be cooked until you see it has reduced and it's getting thicker. So you add your mushroom to it. You stir it small and you add small thyme to it. You see the way my hand is holding small, so you can see it's not too much. You add some to it, like half teaspoon. You add it to it, you stir it, and you mix your cornstarch, you add also to it. Now you can lower the heat, so let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes and it's already cooked, and you see it's ready to serve. Enjoy. I hope you will try it. Don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.